Here we have 0 by 6. We have minus 1 by 6. This is F, which we have to find. This is minus 3 by 6. This is 4 by 6. This is point G, which we have to find. This is minus 6 by 6. This is H. We have to find H. This is I. Again we have to find. This is minus 9 by 6. This is minus 10 by 6. And we have to find point J as well. And this is minus 12 by 6. So we have to find F, G, H, I and J. It is same as in case of positive numbers, but the difference is only negative sign. So this is very clear that we have divided each section into 6 equal parts. So if it is 0 by 6, it is minus 1 by 6. So what F could be? It will be minus 2 by 6. What's the value of X then? Minus 2 by 6. 3 by 6, 4 by 6, what would be G? It will be minus 5 by 6. And this is minus 6 by 6, or we can say that this is minus 1. This is minus 1. Then what H will be? It will be minus 7 by 6. Value of H will be minus 7 by 6. Then I minus 8 by 6. I will be minus 8 by 6. There we have minus 9 by 6, minus 10 by 6. What will be J? Minus 11 by 6. What is J? Minus 11 by 6. I hope it will be clear to you all that how we have to plot positive or negative rational number on number line. The last topic of this chapter is inserting rational number between two given rational number. So this is the last topic of the chapter. Now, if I ask you, what are the whole numbers that lies between 4 and 8? You can say that it is 5, 6, 7. So there are three numbers which lies between 4 and 8. So means their value is fixed. So there are only three whole numbers between 4 to 8. If I say what are the value of integers that are found between minus 4 and plus 4? Integers that lies between minus 4 and plus 4. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 4. Sorry, plus 4. Minus 4, plus 4. What are the integers present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 integers which are present between minus 4 and plus 4. So one thing is clear, when we talk about natural number, when we talk about whole number, when we talk about the integers, numbers of element present between two given numbers is fixed. That means between 4 to 8 there are possibility of only 3 whole numbers that should be present. In case of this second part, we have only 7 integers that are present between minus 4 and 4. But there is difference between difference in case of rational number. What is the difference? We see. Suppose we have to plot or we have to find rational number between 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. Okay, we have to find rational between 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. So if we look at the numerator, we say there is nothing between 1 by 2. Then how we can plot rational number between these two? So what we used to do, we have to multiply a term in denominator and we have to multiply same term in numerator. Suppose if we are multiplying 5 by 10, we have to multiply numerator by same number, that is 10. In say second case also we have to do the same. So what this fraction become? We are multiplying on both the numerator and numerator just to equalize the things. This will become 10 upon 50. This will become 20 upon 50. Now denominator are same. We can plot numbers like it will be 11 by 50, 12 by 50, 13 by 50, 14 by 50, 15 by 50. We can plot up to 90. This is one case. Now what happen if I multiply this number by 1000? This fraction would have become 1000 upon 5000. This fraction would have become 2000 upon 5000. So the rational number present between 1 by 5 and 2 by 5 will be and like so on. So what is the difference between plotting numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational number? That means it says that in between two rational numbers, there are infinite numbers of rational number present. We cannot fix the value of rational between two given numbers. Between two rational numbers, there are infinite rational number between two given rational number. This modification we have to do by ourselves, like according to our convenience. So this is how we have to insert two rational number between, say we have to insert three rational number between 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. We can take these number also, or we can take the previous numbers also. These number will lie between 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. So this is how we have to insert rational number between two given rational number. So we'll take a few examples so that it will become clear to you. Say you have to plot rational number between 5 and 0, minus 5 and 0. Okay. First what we have to do, this minus 5 is nothing but minus 5 by 1. This 0 is nothing but 0 by 1. Now since we can easily say minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, this one. But what if we have to plot more than 5 or more than 6 rational number between these? Simply we will multiply by any number to the denominator, and we have to multiply by same number to the numerator as well. So it will become minus 50 by 10 and this will become 0 by 10. Now we can plot, this will be minus 49 by 10, minus 48 by 10, minus 47 by 10 and so on up to this 0 by 10. Okay.